Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. In today's video, I want to play one of my video, and if you have not watched this video, I will advise you to take the advantage today. Many people share me their testimony, gifts, and so on for this special recipe. If you never watched this video, let me play the video, and don't forget to share this video to your loved one. It's very simple and very, very effective. In fact, yesterday I received a testimony from someone. I received a big testimony from someone. If you never watched the video, yeah, let's go. You can watch it there.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá ya kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá ya kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórin dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jọ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
In today's video, I want to show you and I want to teach you the powerful assignment that you can use to drive away evil spirits, to drive away attack, to drive away monitoring spirits sent to you. If you believe that they have poisoned you spiritually, or you feel that something is disturbing you spiritually, and you want to cast out the evil spirit that is working with you, you have problem financially, in your marriage you have problem, in your working place you have problem, and you want to drive away monitoring spirit disturbing your life. Today I want to share what you can use to drive it away or to get rid of it. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. And if today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to teach you what you can do to get rid of attack, get rid of monitoring spirits sent to you that disturbing you spiritually. Are you with me? Sometimes when you sleep and you wake up, you feel that maybe a part of your body is paining you, or you feel like you are being monitored by a monitoring spirit, you always hear strange footsteps in your house, movements in your room. Today, I want to show you something that you can use to get rid of that monitoring spirit disturbing your life. This is olive oil. Olive oil, but it's not ordinary olive oil. I told you, you can also perform miracle yourself. Are you with me? You can also perform miracle by yourself. This is what you are seeing in my hand is Goya oil, either olive oil. You can buy the plastic one. I've already explained this assignment in one of my live video. If you never watched the video and you have seen this one today, you better write it down. If you don't understand, feel free to call me, please. So, how are you going to do this? There's one thing we call sulfur. In Yoruba language, we call it miojo. And there's one thing we call potash. We also call it potassium. But in Yoruba language, we call it akokan. Those are the two materials you are going to blend together. You need like this size. You need like one spoon of those powder. Mix it together. If you want to blend it, you can blend them separately and add it to olive oil. Shake it. Shake it together. So how are you going to use this olive oil? There are many ways you can use this olive oil. You can spray this olive oil in your environment, in your room, and anywhere that you want to sanitize, anywhere that you want to drive monitoring spirits away, anywhere that you want to destroy or get rid of any monitoring spirits, you are going to spray the olive oil. That is the first step. In fact, you can apply it any part of your body that you believe that something is disturbing you there spiritually. You can add it to your bathing water and use the water to bathe. In fact, someone told me that she applied it all over her head because she always feel headache. But when she applied it, believe me, she shared me a testimony that this thing is working perfectly. You can also use it. Do it without my knowledge. But if you don't understand, please don't forget to call me on 070-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. That is how to do it. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. And if you have anything to discuss with me in a professional level, please don't forget to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. Thank you very much.
Lọ́la kó báyà kó ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórin bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásíkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa.